'Twas a nice day on the Farquar Branch line. Thomas was showing Stanley all the sights there are on this precious little branch line.
Here we are, Stanley, the iconic Farquar Waterfall.
Whoa!
Legend says that anyone who falls inside will be transported directly to hell. Percy, go in. What? Oh, okay.
Is he alright? No, he's in hell, but it's not my problem anymore. Just then, Duck showed up. Oh dear. It's worse than I thought. What are you talking about?
Thomas, the Fat Controller is not happy with the way that you are running your branch line.
What are you talking about?
My branch line is running at peak efficiency.
Oh, Bill, this is gonna be our best prank ever.
Alright. Blow it up.
Oh, yeah, baby!
Thomas, if something doesn't change around here, you're going to be sent back to piloting duties at Knapford.
Oh, yeah?
Well, I say nothing has to change. And I will continue running this branch line the way I see fit. There's only one way we can settle this little dispute we're having here. And I know how. We'll have a contest! We'll duel at noon! Actually, I was just thinking of racing with, like, trucks. Oh. Okay, let's do that then. Buzzkill. I am also here! Oh, okay. Challenge accepted. Alright, so we'll race to the coal yard, pick up a truck, a tanker, and a van. Then we'll race back and see who's the fastest. Alright, let's do it. Stanley, you wait for us here at the finish line. Alright, you two, I want a good clean race. No shooting, no stabbing, no killing. That means you duck. Oh. 3, 2, 1, get her up! I mean, go race? The two raced off down the branch line, going as fast as possible. Huh? No. No. Fuck. Meanwhile, wow, we finally make it here. Now we can breeze branch line to its knees. I don't get paid enough for this. I never do. Yeah, you never will. I'm gonna get there first, no yours. Do it right. Haha. Oh. The two finally made it to the coal plant, where Toby was waiting for them. You know, because he doesn't have a life either.
Oh, hey, Thomas, where's Percy? He was supposed to be here 2 hours ago to help me shut this place.
Oh, he's in hell now. Yeah, that checks out. I'm winning, I'm winning! I get the green one because I'm green. Bye-bye! Bitch. Alright, boys. You know the plan. When the time comes, we strike. Isn't that right, Rickety? Yeah, 2:30. Right? Just follow my lead. Okay. Wow! Everything's all ready here. Where is here? Oh, hey Coldy, what are you doing here? Oh, I'm not Coldy. I just took the form of someone you would recognize. So yeah, the Purple Train. Okay, so who are you then? I'm the devil, you know, from the Bible. I'm here to punish you for all eternity for all your fat, juicy sins. Cool. What? I'm gonna win, told you I'm gonna win, no, I'm gonna win, no, I'm gonna win. Sigh. It's always day in and day out, waiting at the signal with this stone delivery. You know, random car that just showed up here. I wish something exciting would happen around here. Or at least I could do something exciting around here. Or even something exciting just, you know, right there, on that line right there. But no. Boring, boring, boring. You're gonna lose, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win. Oh, that's right. Pipe bomb. I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win. Okay, I wish for $1 million money.
Along their way back, the two engines approached a small, narrow bridge. Unfortunately, two idiots decided to pull their plan.
Alright, boys. Blow up the bridge. Wait, the plan was to blow up the bridge? Yes. What do you think the plan was? Something else? Oh, don't worry guys. I think they'll be here any second now. This is what we decided to do with our free time today? Wow. I must be the biggest joke I know. The most unfunny joke I know. This is so boring. Let's play a game. No. Not with you.
You know what? I don't think I want to wait for them. Come on, Henrietta. Let's go.
Finally.
Whoa, Assohoy.
Wait! Hold on, guys. The shitty pirate guy was right. They're almost here. What did you just say? Okay, I did it. I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Thomas
I'm
and Duck
winning. No, I'm
swiftly
winning.
approached
I'm
the
winning.
yard.
No, you're not. I'm gonna win. No, you're not. And Alright, so who won? It's obviously me. I won. No, I won. Stanley, tell us who won.
No one won. It was a tie.
What? Huh? Well, that's a bit anticlimactic. This sucks.
A tie? What a ripoff!
Let's start a riot! Yar, sounds fun. You hear something?
That's it! I can't take it anymore! Whee! I'm closing the portal. He's your headache now.
Oh, hey guys. I met Satan today. What did you two get up to? We had a race today. Cool. Who won? It was a tie. Oh, so you both won. We both won. So we're both right. I don't know about that. That's right. If we're both right, then I'll run the branch my way, and you could run the branch your way. Yeah, let's go do it our way. Hooray! Wow, what a first day. We're here for Halloween. Well, this is my first full day. You're stupid. You're stupid.
You're white.
You're fat. All right, that's it. Wow, these guys are like all morons. Yeah, that'll make things so much easier. We just have to get rid of that blue idiot. Somehow. And I just have the idea that might work. It's perfect.
Now that Duck is helping on the Farquar Branch line, surely everything will be just fine. Sir, 30 workmen were just crucified outside of Farquar Station. Oh no.